Okay, I fired all my bosses, flipped the bird to my professors. I got way too tired of seeing life through school semesters. When I hop on the mic, I'm talking shit, applying pressure. Butterfly doors on a matte black Tesla.
What's up, vlog? Hey y'all, it snowed. It has snowed out here, man. Let me see. I'm out here playing in the goddamn snow. Let me check out of my cousin's house. My cousin, cause my fashion. Let it snow, let it snow. Holy shit. I'm a fail. In my cousin. Yes, that car ran into our yard. Yeah. Yeah, it's yelling at camera. You real? My way goes. You know I'm on cool. Listen, if I can't walk on the road, you can dance on drive on the road. What are you doing? Can that car just move? Your car right here.
I had to move because
This is 75 degrees. We don't normally get snow. This shit so like we really in Chicago and New York right now. Hey, you finna get in your car? Okay, I'm finna bring my dad down here. Alright. That's the part. Okay, let me. Oh, I almost fell. That's the beautiful part about you from good energy. See, my home, there's one house down from our other house. Yeah. Y'all hear Nicky in the background? Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next clip. What's up, y'all? I'm back. And another clip. The snow has cleared. I don't know if y'all can see, but the snow cleared. But the roads and everything cleared. They was shut down for only about a day and a half. Some people they left their cars on the expressway, on the highway, so yeah, but I'm back. Hey y'all, I got some Georgia boots. These motherfuckers so crispy. I'll show you. Them bitches crispy. They bite with some might for walking. Yeah. I'm about to head to work. I don't want to motherfucking go. I got some other stuff I gotta do. I got some stuff that I'm excited to be doing, man. Some stuff outside of work. Y'all know I got multiple hustles, streams of income, as you got to in this day and age. And in this economy, and in this new world, got to. But yeah, man, I'm about to head out. Fuck. See if I'm gonna go get me some cocktail later. I want me some shrimp. Actually, yeah, I want some shrimp, some oysters. I want some calamari. I really do want some good calamari today. Got a fresh cut this morning. Barbecue and crispy. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next clip. What's up, you guys? I'm back. I just got off of work. Just made it back to the crib. Um, just left Circle K. I gotta tell y'all, my day was poo. It was shitty as fuck. Like my candle. What I look like? A damn snitch. Yeah, man. The day was not real. So earlier today, when I had what I'm looking for, got that. Earlier today, when I was on my way to work, some bitch some bitch called me, asking me why did I call her a bitch. Now I don't talk like that to females. I don't do female. I don't. Now that's one thing you ain't gotta worry about me doing is calling the female out her name or just going back and forth with the female being extra. So I'm like, huh? What you mean I call you a bitch? She got somebody else phone going through their messages saying, why did you call me? All I said was I blocked the bitch on Facebook. To my friend. The fuck? The fuck? Bitch, what you calling? What you... So, well, it's not a friend. It's an associate. So I know I won't be doing that. No, I won't be dealing with that associate no more. Damn. We grown. You let folks go through your phone and then call people in your contacts in front of you? Hey, that shit made sense. But anyway, like I said, today was not real at all. Like, so much transpired. Okay, boom. After that happened, what else happened? What I got to work? Dealing with stupid ass people at work. Of course, that's expected. Of course that happened. Get it outside. But yeah. Oh, it feel good out here. Right? But yeah, so when I got to work, dealing with stupid ass coworkers, of course. Then after that, what happened? Something else had happened. Oh, fuck all that. Let's get straight to the tea. What it is with people, people swear they be so genuine and for you, and they really don't. Like, the day really showed me a lot. Like, as far as dealing with people, I always move accordingly and deal with people accordingly as I should, like an adult. But I can't. I ain't got no more patience for no more humans. No more humans. Like, I was just put in a situation like I don't like being put in confusing, compromising situations. Cause I'm the nigga. I'm him for real. Like, I don't need you. I don't need nobody for nothing. Big facts right there. Big facts. Cold as fuck. It ain't that cold. See, man, rock my Georgia boots today. Let me see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I got a luncheon to go to tomorrow, and I got something else to do. I forgot. My days be so hectic. It's too cold to do any fucking thing. And I'm mad because I logged out of my TikTok, y'all. I ain't logged out of my TikTok. That night when the app supposedly was gonna shut down and stop working, the bitch stopped working before 12. Okay, so the next day I let it stay on my phone. App still wasn't working. So I was like, I just came to the conclusion. I'm not like y'all. Y'all hold on to shit. They say they was gonna delete the app, so I'm like, okay. I know I already moved on to the next thing, even though I don't know what that is at the TikTok. So I deleted my app. I can't even get on. Come to find out, everybody can use that shit again. I deleted mine. Can't even download mine. It's not in the app store. So I'm real pissed about that, man. About my TikTok, my Shayla. I'm mad about my Shayla. Like, I'm real hurt about that. Now I gotta YouTube and throw this shit out. But yeah. Moral of the story is remain you. Don't let no motherfucking body come into your life and try to get you out your body, because that's how I feel like with friends, like with people in general, like people will really try to come in your life and try to get you out of your body. And once you out of your body, well, once they get you out your body, they stole your energy. So they got you right there. Once they get, that's the thing. Don't let nobody get you out your body. Make you try to fight for them. Like, nah, you can't come in the game having me fight. Nah, it ain't going like that. If I feel it's worth it, but you can't fight for something in a short period of time. No, it don't work like that. I don't know what the fuck wrong with people. People got the game fucked up. I'm gonna let these bitches know though. I'm gonna keep my foot on their neck in these size 9, not these size 10 Georgia boots. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm in my fields. I really have been in my fields today because I was tried on some lame shit. But, you know, throw salt, it'll kill a snail. Won't do nothing to a player. All it did was make more niggas throw the corn to me like a wishing well. I know what niggas say. That shit hard. Throwing salt, gonna kill a snail, but won't do nothing to a player. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip for real. What's up, you guys? And then those last few clips that you guys saw of the pit rally, those was some of my students. The captain of the majorette team, Jada, that's one of my students. That's my baby. She just formed the majorette team and she did exceptionally well. She just started it last weekend. That was their first performance, and I think they did good. And who else? My boy, my son, man. That's my boy, man. Howard Nation. I don't mean to be federal, but he probably gonna see this. But that's my boy, man. He always so happy, jovial, like and like about life in general. Like he just like that on the regular. Like, and I support his music career. He actually has dope music. That's Joker 5, by the way. That's his rap name, Joker 5. Joker number 5 IBE. And you can go download his latest mixtape. Dang, what the name of it? It's hold on, I'm finna pull it up. Yeah, but that's my boy, man, always, man. He was on the basketball team. Like, I just noticed stars. Like the girl Jada, like she just got an it factor. Man, he got an it factor about him. He just, bro, just lit, and he on the right track. So you can't do nothing but support that. Let me see. It's on Apple Music. Bound to Blow 2. This this how it look like the Kill Bill movie cover. And this is name, wait, what camera? Joker 5 with the number 5. But yeah, man, that's my boy, man. Go follow him. Go stream his music on all platforms. But yeah, I'm gonna try to when I get back on campus, I'm let him talk to y'all, let him chop it up with y'all. Yeah, man, I'm about to go get me some Dunkin'. But yeah, those my kids, man. Like, until I'm on to the next thing, next chapter in life. This is where I reside with my babies. I'm chilling. Well, I'm about to run up in here and get me some coffee. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. What's up, y'all? I'm out here at the river, just chilling. I'm really on my break right now. I come out here on my break every other day just to get a peace of mind, some clarity, some solitude, peace. I'm a nature boy, real Georgia boy. Out here, we got action, y'all. We got a plane. Hold on. Take me, man. Somebody getting food out of this bitch. No, when the aliens come down, we're gonna be getting beamed out, not flued out. I'm gonna show y'all the river. Don't judge my peas. We got the donkey. Let's see. I'm not trying to get shot. Let's see. Let's see this piece to me. Oh man. And yo, especially the field that I'm in, I be needing this. Every day on break, I be needing this. Yep. highway. Well, the bridge, rather, not the highway. It's real beautiful up close. I would walk down there, but I'm good right here. I was down there yesterday. And then there's people down there. I like to be alone. I'm one of those people, I work best alone. But alright, let's catch y'all in the next clip. Y'all, I got me some octopus. It's finna be my first time trying octopus. Like lately, I've been in a that I'm pescatarian now. That's all I eat is seafood. But lately, I've just been wanting to try more shellfish that I haven't tried. And only thing it was squid, octopus. Squid is like what is squid? Yeah, but I got me some octopus. I'm finna try it with y'all, but I just been laughing my ass off at this lady. Her name Onaja. She's going viral on Twitter. She basically went to Pakistan. I'm assuming I don't know. She met some 19-year-old boy online, so they end up dating via online long distance. So she got over there. So the boy was 19. His parents didn't allow it, so she just been over there like the shit crazy. I'm finna let y'all see what Nikki say. Sticks in my bun. I gotta eat with these.
I need 20K by this week. Okay, in my pockets, in cash. Okay, that's a demand to the government. The government is gonna fix up these buildings, fix up the streets, and clean up these streets. It's ridiculous out here. I do not like it. Okay, I would love for you guys to please understand that Pakistan is in need of new buses, new cabs, new cars.
Fact.
Please listen to what I'm saying. My name is Onaija Ahmed. Please understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. अच्छा बस आप मैं इस मौके पर ये कहना चाहूँगा फैसल पे जो है वो okay. और फिर उसके बाद जो है वो
like bro, she won't leave their country.
I hope he's saying the right things.
It's
okay?
so funny.
Like I said, Pakistan needs to be reconstructed the right way. Do you hear me, guys? Make sure y'all get this on your camera. I'm married to Nidel Hamid. I'm Onaija Hamid. We are moving to Dubai very soon.
They're not
We're
married,
gonna have
by the
our
way.
baby in Dubai. It's private. I'm Muslim, and it's against my religion to tell y'all my business. Have a nice day. I'm not talking unless y'all giving me land and 2,000 or more every week. You hear me? Yeah. I'm getting my Pakistani passport and Pakistani ID.
Oh, this lady got me weak. I'm finna try this octopus. Let's see. Oh, chopsticks ain't doing it. I'm fucking it up. Oh. Good. I like it. It do. I like how chewy and bouncy it is. It's a little tender. I gotta put some soy sauce on them, but it's good though. I definitely be getting it more when I do the 7 fishes in it. Definitely gonna have an octopus on deck. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. Yo, so I'm at work with it. Just came back from my break. About to go back in a second. The day been pretty chill. Came in, knocked out my morning classes. I only have 2 class periods, 5th and 6th. Workplace wellness and entrepreneurship. Knocked that out. Yeah, it's just been up from there. Yep. You may have thought you won, but I got the last laugh. Y'all know how somebody think they did something to you or got over on you, but you really got the last laugh? Alright, let me chill out. Yeah. See y'all later on. See what we gonna eat tonight, man. Probably thinking cocktail. I know y'all. I had to choke on it. I was like a cocktail, literally. So either cocktail. I want some more Olive Garden. Other night I had some good ass seafood Alfredo from Olive Garden and some calamari. But yeah. See y'all in the next clip. In my favorite restaurant. Cocktail. Waiting on my food. Show y'all what I got. Got 3-piece whiting and fried. Put this shit up when I get home. I'm outside of 7. What's the name of it? 7 Brewery. It's like a drive-in coffee spot, shake spot, tea spot, smoothie spot all in one. It's real dope. Yeah, it's a good atmosphere. They always playing music and stuff, but last coffee I had, I ain't really too much care for it. It was like $5, but they got good pricing though. So no, it's in a good neighborhood. Yo, 7 bro, it's good. It's called a fornicator. It's called a fornicator. That motherfucker good. I couldn't really talk how I wanted to because old girl was all in my mouth, but it was good. But like I was saying, last time I came to 7 Brew, coffee, I had an ice cold brew, and that's my go-to, either ice latte or ice cold brew. But it was nasty as hell. But
the fact of the matter is that we're in it.
They don't pump that shit, and that's how it is with some business. You gotta give them time to open up and get adjusted to time, scheduling, formula. All that goes into a new business. Go out with your friends. But I'm about to head home. Been a great day at work. I'm about to end this vlog right here. I'm listening to some Sexy Songs for You by Drake and Party Next Door. Snap! But alright, y'all. See y'all in the next vlog. I hope y'all really enjoyed this vlog. I love y'all.